Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to set price alerts on Etoro account using your Etoro application on a mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first thing to do is to open up your Etoro application and then sign into your account. Once you are logged into your Etoro account, go ahead and tap on the watch list button at the bottom of the screen. From your watch list section, click the three dots at the top right corner and click on Set Price Alerts under Actions. Now, tap on the bell icon with a little plus in it right next to the cryptocurrency you want to set price alerts for. For example, I'm gonna tap on the bell icon right next to BTC at the top and enter the price at which you want to be alerted. Once you set the price, click on Set Alert. Soon after you do that, you will be able to set price alerts on Etoro. Setting up a price alert on Etoro is a useful way to stay informed about market movements. Once your price alert is set, you will receive notification when the asset reaches your specified price, helping you make timely trading decisions. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.